104-96. Let's see, any other nuggets in there that worth sharing?
Yeah,
Sabonis 20 and 15. He's playing
Lonzo
great.
Ball had a triple single.
I've told you, they thought he wasn't going to play with a sprained ankle.
Well, he had 2 points. He didn't play.
Okay, so tell me this.
You
saw the chase down block by Lonzo.
You had a what, Chuck? Wait, you had a triple. Wait, he had 2 points, and you gonna say he played? He had 2 more points than me. he had a triple single. Oh, man, had 2 points.
But he had the
Fruit of the Loom, thank you very much.
For what?
They sent me 2 boxes of underwear.
So what are you going to do with them?
I'm going to give them to a homeless shelter.
Well, I hope that
Well, there's no homeless shelter that has 4 X's. I mean, people in the homeless shelter.
Let me just tell you something. In the back, I was giving them out, and a few of the guys got them. They got some smaller sizes. But I'm going to just say this about some of the women who work here. They're a little overconfident. They can fit in them big drawers.
Oh, man, you going that?
Some of y'all need to check y'all pride at the door.
Come on.
Y'all can fit in them things.
Are those?
I'm just saying.
I've
Some of you
never heard
listen,
rumors,
in the back there. Some of you women overconfident. Y'all can fit in them big drawers.
Ernie, have you ever heard of?
There's always a New York person who comes up to Charles. Why do you hate our team so much, Charles? How do you assess what you've seen?
Why you look?
What a bemused look on your face.
No, because what bothers me, Ernie, every year you travel the country and you go to New York and people are like, you think our team sucks? I'm like, yeah, I only think that because they suck. Ernie, let me tell you how bad it was.
So I was like, wait a minute. That was the 90s.
Remember when
He
we used to start the season out in New York?
Yeah.
I left 2 tickets at the hotel for one of my family members, and when I got back to the hotel, it was 4 tickets there. That's how bad the Knicks been lately. I just feel bad because the reason I live in Phoenix, they got the best fans in the world, and they deserve better.
Okay.
They deserve better than they're getting right now. Look at them empty seats, man. The best fans in the world get to watch this trash.
So they got a bunch of injuries. Their top 3 scorers all out.
They were no good when they had them.
Hey, Chuck, how's the popcorn in the arena?
Versatile
popcorn. How's the hot dogs, Chuck? How's the hot dogs? They got that old hard bun. The soda's flat. They keep inviting me to games too, Ken. I'm like, what the hell?
You won't have to worry about that anymore. 111.
I want to go watch that.
111.
Come on, man.
105.
What about the pretzels, Chuck? Those pretzels are hard as a rock. You can fit the dentures. And what about the nachos? Oh, my God. The cheese is cold. Say about the nacho cheese.
Over the Phoenix Suns.
Old cheese, Shaq. And the chips are stale.
Oh, man. Good one, man.
Phoenix turning it over 24 times.
What about the seats and the cushions on the seat when you sit down in the seats?
Oh, man, those chicks, they're dirty seats.
How about the parking over there, Chuck?
Man, it's plenty of parking.
See, there's a good thing.
Yeah, you can park right next to the arena.
All right.
Hey, you can buy one of them seats up the top and move right down by center court. Listen, come on, man. You can't serve cold nachos.
Oh, okay.
And the thing is, how some place they give you good nachos, they put jalapenos. The Suns be putting pickles on it.
Oh, come on, Suns. Suns, it can't be that bad out there, Phoenix, man.
They be trying to trick people. They used to put jalapenos on the nacho. They're trying to trick people and put pickles on it.
Oh, my God. What about the cheerleaders?
Oh, they ugly now. They used to be good looking. How the cheerleaders.
I gotta leave. I'm off the set. I gotta leave the set, man. I gotta leave.
Chris Dunn. I like Chris Dunn. There go Larry Nash Sr. right there.
It's good to see him, man.
Can you imagine?
And he's taller than what I thought. Like me watching him on TV.
Well, first of all, everybody's taller than you.
All of these things that we're talking about.
Hey, Kevin, can you hear me? Kevin Garnett.
Yeah, I can hear you.
You know this is only a 30-minute show, right?
Hey, Charles, quit being disrespectful. Come on, man. Shaq slap you.
Hey, Kenny, to answer your question really quickly.
In television history.
It was great.
We got to get commercials in.
It was
Can you
great.
shorten up? Give me some clip notes.
No, that was a great
Quit
answer.
talking those long, drawn-out answers.
Like we were saying, go ahead.
The ridiculous one over there that's still living that you would say has no chance of happening.
Two black guys beating a black guy up.
and have a Mac.
Sorry, speaking out loud.
That's not on here, man. The Clippers.
America, let me just tell you something.
What's that?
Do not commit crimes with checks. Come on, man. You cannot, if you're going to break the law, do not write a check.
Don't commit crimes with checks.
Jesse, you wasted all that damn time and money. You know what you should have did?
What's that?
Just went up in Liam Neeson's neighborhood. You could have solved all your damn problems.
Why don't you go to ESPN and then I can not talk to you?
You're not going to work me like a dog and not pay me.
Four straight wins for Golden State after losing to
Why
San
wouldn't you go to
Antonio.
ESPN? Why wouldn't you go to ESPN?
They're not going to work me like a dog and not pay me.
I'm just saying.
The things that happen on this show.
ESPN 1, 2, 3,
You know what?
ESPN News, ESPN U, ESPN Radio, and then come up with that little puny trick.
Nothing.
You wake up,
I'm telling you, nothing good happens after 1:15 in the morning.
ESPN Deportes.
They have me on ESPN Deportes say, muy bien, gracias. La muchacha, Emanito.
Hey, you have been working on it, haven't you? Thank you, Rosetta Stone. All right.
Ernie.
The only thing that can possibly...
You see them guys, you wake up, you see the same. It's like,
Only people celebrating like, oh, he made a shot.
No, he's not the first round pick. He's the number one pick.
Listen, hold on, let me talk to this damn idiot on Twitter. The kid's struggling mentally with his shot. We're all pulling for him. That's why we're excited to see him do well. Now, you just sit at home in your grandma's basement with your drawers on, typing on your damn keyboard. Shut the hell up. We're pulling for Markelle Fultz.
I do think.
That's twice.
what's he wearing?
The fact that Chuck doesn't wear drawers, and the fact that the guy on Twitter
Shaq, you know,
does
all the
wear
people on the
drawers.
internet who are mean, they sit at home and living with their parents, like 32 years old, living with their parents, got their computer out.
Sitting in your grandma's basement with your
their
drawers.
drawers on, watching, seeing what happened as the world go by them.
Cookies on his stomach.
Yeah, cookie crumbs on the stomach.
Nice image. Tennessee never
You know
saw.
what they have? Hey, Shaq, you remember we were growing up on the damn chicken pot pies? That's what they have for dinner, damn chicken pot pies.
The Philadelphia bench. Tuesday against the Celtics, 26 points. Against the Bulls. I don't know that
Good
Shaq
back
is
in the
gonna be
day, I ain't
able to
gonna lie.
All I know on the show.
Them
Hey, all I
pies were
know,
good back in the day.
this is an auto-tune moment. This is
Oh.
going to be a cartoon.
What they eat.
Chicken pot pies.
It's got audio tune written all over
And
it.
that frozen dinner with the meatloaf, you get a vegetable and the applesauce.
Salisbury
The
steak.
Salisbury
Yeah,
steak.
exactly.
Hey,
See y'all. Hey, Shaq, put some skinny jeans on Chuck and walk around.
First of all, hey, you're the only grown 40-year-old man who wears skinny jeans, Kevin.
Hey, Chuck. Making it look good, Chuck. Making it look good, Chuck.
Be a top seller, and he's done that.
Hey, Gary, you know this only a quick hour show, so you got to speed your answers up in the future.
Hey, Shaq.
Chuck,
No, I'm going to say Shaq. I'm going to say Shaq. I'm going to say Shaq.
No, that's Shaq. I ain't said that's Chuck.
Shaq. Shaq. No,
Yeah, I'm listening.
Shaq,
All right, go ahead.
listen.
Go ahead, GP.
Listen. Go over there and slap him upside his head and tell him he ain't talking to me. I take my time and I give examples the way I want to.
You right,
now,
man.
Chuck, sit over there and eat you a Twinkie and be cool.
Hey, if he put his hands on me, it's going to be some furniture moving.
Yeah.
if I go to San Antonio, I'm gonna get a bunch of churros.
What kind of women are in San Antonio?
Oh, some big old women
I'm
down
just
there.
checking. Why would you say that?
That's a gold mine for Weight Watchers. Them big-
Say that.
Why does every conversation about San Antonio eventually come around to...
They have spandex in San Antonio.
No. And Victoria, definitely a secret.
Oh, man.
They can't wear no Victoria's Secret down there. It's a secret.
Just-
Them down there be wearing bloomers.
All he does,
They wear big old bloomers down there, and they're not wearing no.
in the event that San Antonio Antonio goes.
Ain't nothing skimpy down in San Antonio, Shaq.
And we're there.
How do you
Charles.
you like the Riverwalk?
Oh, that's a creek. It ain't a river. Come on, man. That ain't no river.
Way back.
Come on, man. That's a creek. A dirty creek, I might add. Ernie, would you eat fish out of there?
Nobody eats fish out
That's
of
my
there.
point.
Well,
if it was a river, you'd eat fish out of it. Listen, I'm telling you the truth. I think it's a great city. I think they got the best organization in the NBA. But they do have some big old women down there. I mean, come on now.
See what you do to him every time you go down.
I'm telling you, man. They be whooping them churros.
None of those. Hey, but none of those.
You big old women need to stop eating so much stuff. He's up on them churros.
On the clock presented by
Hey, San Antonio's a great city. They're the best organization in sports. I love Greg Popovich and everything. The fans are great down there.
Right.
It's just big. It's just big.
What would be one solution to help them get? We got 2 minutes, right? What
Yeah,
one
but it
solution?
wasn't going to be on this.
I got 2 words for him. I'm full.